So I've actually just been testing different microphone setups in the car. So I have the Tascam DR-10L. And it's pretty good, tried and true recording. I heard it's used more for voice recording, so I'm using this with several lav mics I'm trying out. So I have the Diety Lav Mic. It's like the $40 model. It's not too bad. I'm trying out the back, so I have this hooked up like this right now. So I have the Diety here, and with all this wire, it's wired from here through the trunk. Let me go show you guys that. So it actually comes out through the trunk here, tape it down, and the mic itself is right inside this bumper lip with a little windscreen on it. So the problem with that is it captures wind noise, and let me get the audio for you guys for that right now, actually. So let me turn it on, Tascam, and let me start the car. Well, let me record it so you guys get the car starting as well. So that's that, and then actually we can change to the more mechanical side of things. So we're gonna, I put up a mic right here. It's wired through the side, through this little pocket. And let me actually open up the engine bay. So I mean, I'm not, in my old car, which is the 01 Accord, it had a throttle body, so you could really hear. You get some really nice intake noises and engine noises. So I used to hook it on top of the throttle body. This one, I put it on top of the intake hose, but it's actually clipped onto this plastic part. And this is actually a little battery cooler. It's pretty cool. But I have it hooked up right there, this microphone, and this is what this sounds like. This leaks out of the way. Let me show you guys what this sounds like. So, just change the microphone from this one. Stop this recording then. Oh, I think I just turned it off. Oh. Okay, it's still good. Okay, recording done. Okay, let's change the microphones. So unplug the Diety and plug in this one. Okay. So the front mic is plugged in, and I'm gonna just do record. There you go. So this is what this one sounds like. So that's the front one, right on top of the intake. Well, I'm gonna film a little grocery video, and this is also how I set up my GoPro. It's really scuffed. I don't have a lot of equipment, so I have this. I think it's called like a Gorilla or something, a Gorilla stand. So when I turn on the GoPro, right, and it's on here pretty firm. Along with GoPro stabilization, it's not bad. So I have it where I can see the car itself, but the main thing is I want to see outside while being able to see the driving. There you go. So as you can see here, you do get the shifter knob there. But so I should angle it down up a little bit. So it gets there you go, gets the hand action and a good view of the outside of the car. So that's how I have the GoPro set up. For this grocery run I'm about to do. So let's do it.